I would say instead of like reading all day, maybe have some reading games, something to help the kids interact with their peers and also with the teacher so the teacher can know where their level is.
I feel like after a teacher teach something, they should probably like have like an exit ticket at the end of the class, and maybe like the last 5 minutes, just to see if everyone understood the content, like rank it from like 1 to 5, 1 being the lowest, 5 being the highest, just so that just so they can know if they have to reteach it or go over the material again. And I think some activities that I really enjoyed doing this year and actually learned a lot of content from was basically group work, just hearing the things that other peers say and hearing the things that other peers in order to understand the content and get different insight, not just only get teachers and yourself, just other people, because it really helps you grasp the information.
Some things I think that a teacher can do in class is start the class real active to make sure they're really motivated, because when you come into class, sometimes students could be real sleepy and bored, and it's not because you're a boring teacher, it's because they just finished eating at the lunch.
Most classes we did Jeopardy, so I felt as though Jeopardy was a good one. I think students like that more.
What did you use Jeopardy for?
It's like if it's a test or a quiz or something like that.